In this video, I am going to show you how to increase file upload size in WordPress site. So let's get started with the video. If we go to WordPress media page, the default upload file size is 32 megabytes maximum, no more than that. We won't be able to upload huge media file like a movie file or any other kind of file into the site. So, to increase the file upload size, we need to head to our web hosting server account, where the WordPress site is hosted. Once we log into the web hosting account, we need to come to cPanel settings page. Here, we need to click File Manager, under Files section. And here, we need to enter the public HTML directory, where all the sites installed are located. Here, we need to enter the site main directory and look for .htaccess file, which will be hidden by default. So we need to unhide the file. We need to click this settings gear icon. And in the pop-up, we need to enable Show Hidden Files. And now, you can see, the .htaccess file is visible. We can select the .htaccess file and click this edit option in the top. In this .htaccess file, we need to add this 4 lines of code just above the closing if module tag. You can find this code in the link below this video in description section. You can see the maximum file size is 128 megabytes here. Once we save the changes, we can go back to WordPress dashboard and confirm the file upload size has been increased and done. The maximum file upload size has been increased from 32 megabytes to 128 megabytes. If we want to increase the file upload size more in our WordPress site, we can go back to web hosting server account and change the file size. In the .htaccess file, I will increase the file upload size to 1024 megabytes, which is 1 gigabyte. And once we save the changes made to the .htaccess file, the same will be changed in the file upload size in the media section of the WordPress site. And again, the file size has been increased from 128 to 1 gigabyte maximum file upload size. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.